Hey everyone, I am working on the 100 Things 2021 project that is being done by Rebecca over at Dancing with Pit Bulls. I'm sure there's others doing it as well, but she's the one that I follow and saw the announcement on it. And basically you make 100 projects and you can't buy anything new. You have to use what you already have, which is great because I have a lot of stuff I need to use up. So, my first project is, on the 19th I made the Rusty Peacock, who is Rosemary Morris, Art Nouveau kit. And I turned it into a soft-sided glue art type made with a file folder from the kit. And I've included some of Amy's papers in here as well. So, it's kind of a work in progress right now, and I'm not going to sew it together or attach it or anything until it's so big I can't do anything else with it. This is the cover, and all of this came in the kit, which I absolutely love, and I am going to go back around the outsides of it with black. So inside I put some Amy papers to help decorate it some, and I used this I already had for a little tuck spot, just stick stuff in. I put, she had these staggered file folders cut here, so I put these in and put some pockets in them to add stuff to that I want to come back and work with later, and this as well. And then this is from her kit. I believe this came from her kit. So I just covered the file folder that she had in there, and I put a pocket here to put this in, and I will eventually get around to decorating all of these. This is going to be an ongoing project that's going to count as one, but anything for Art Nouveau I will put in here, which I've got a lot of it, so I need to use it up. I put some wallpaper in here because I liked it. Thought it was cute. I thought it looked good with this. Let's see, this is from one of my other books I had. And I'm going to make it like a glue book, art journal type thing. But I'm, just sticking stuff in pockets for right now. And I'm going to take it with me on the road because it's a good size that I can use it. And it won't take up a lot of space. And that's why I'm putting my things I want to glue in here in little pockets and stuff in here. So as you can see, I put a lot of blank pages in here. I just love this little envelope, so I had to use it. But I wanted to have a lot of pages and have spots where I could stick stuff, so all I have to do is take this one book and a glue stick or two, and then I can come back and, have everything right here together. So I figured it was great for travel. Really a good use of the project, because we do travel a lot. I just unglued my envelope, so I'll glue it back. But I stuck a lot of stuff in the envelope that I can use. Here's some words that came with the kit. I just stuck them in here, so I'll have them to grab. I love these little vellum tags she put in here. And I tried putting this underneath, and it's probably just my eyesight, but I couldn't see it well enough through. But I'm going to try something different that I think will help it to show through. So like I said, I put a lot of paper in here that I can decorate. And as I'm out and about, I go to thrift stores or something, and I see anything that will look good in here, I'll pick it up and cut it out and, use it in the glue book part. This is basically the back section. I covered the back part of the flip she had for the file folder, and these are the little tags she has. Aren't they cute? But what I wanted to do was do it like this, and it's not showing through, and I don't want to waste one, so I'm going to take one of my own pieces and try it with Mod Podge to see if it'll show through better. But I just love these little tags. I thought they were so cute. Great idea. And then this is another section of it. And I will glue on those. This is part of the kit. And this is one of the Erin Klossner file folder envelopes that I didn't turn into an envelope. I just turned into a tuck spot. And I just have some bits and pieces in here that I will eventually be gluing down in here. And I just glued that to the back section. So this is project number 1. I'm going to have fun with it. I wanted to make an Art Nouveau junk journal, and the more I thought about it, the more I thought, well, that would require me to take a lot of stuff with me on the road, and this is perfect. I mean, it's a handful. It's a good week's worth at least. So, this is project number 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.